I heard you're ready to sell your house. Congratulations. Let me show you how I help attract interested buyers to make sure it stands out while reducing your stress. For starters, I help you get ready for your professional photo shoot. Then it goes live in 2 MLS systems and all real estate websites, nationally as well as locally. Yard signs, lock boxes, etc., etc. There's a long list that realtors do, and I'll cover all of these items on your marketing plan when we get together. But the number one thing you can do now is prepare the home for my professional photo shoot. I use professional photography, videography, drone, 3D imagery. I pay for all digital products possible to reduce disruptions of physical showings and providing maximum exposure to your home. I post these products everywhere. This allows us to reach the widest possible audience of serious qualified buyers. The only physical walkthrough appointments you should have are from buyers deciding on making an offer because they've already viewed it online. If you're ready to sell, please know I'm ready to sell it, and I hope you'll consider me. Book an appointment today.